Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. Welcome to the latest episode of Drone News, where I fill you in on drone-related stories of interest to you. You may remember that the FAA's requirement for drone pilots to register was thrown out by a federal court in mid-2017. Well, it shouldn't surprise you to learn that a new law was signed in December 2017 that brings registration back. If you own an aerial video drone, even one as small as the Unique Breeze or DJI Spark, you must register with the FAA whether you're a hobbyist or a commercial flyer. So where do you register? If you search Google, you will find services to do your registration for you. Don't mess with these services, they'll just cost you more money. I will put the link to the FAA's registration form in the description below. Use that link and register with the FAA yourself to avoid getting scammed. When you go to the FAA page, you'll have the choice to register as a Part 107 or Section 336 model aircraft operator. As a hobbyist, you should choose the Section 336 option. Remember, you don't actually register your drones, you register yourself. You will receive a registration number in your name, and you put that one number on every drone you own. Personally, I don't like marking up the outside of my drone with the registration number, so I put this information on each of my batteries. That puts the number on the inside of the drone, but that's okay. As long as the number can be accessed without the use of a tool, it's legal. By the way, Part 107 flyers do have to register each of their drones. That rule never went away, so nothing has changed there. Commercial guys can use the same link below to do their registrations and choose the Part 107 option. So that's the latest on registration. Stay out of trouble and be a good member of the drone community. Get your registration done and put the number on your drones or your drone batteries. Hey guys, don't forget, Acesdeals.biz is offering a discount to viewers of my videos on everything in their store. Just use the coupon code listed in the description below. If you use the code to buy a drone, Acesdeals will make a contribution to this channel. Save money and support this channel so I can produce more videos in the future. That's it for this episode of Drone News. Thanks for watching my video. I've set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk about drones and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen, you'll find a playlist with many more tutorial videos on drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.